Welcome to a world where traditional financial rules are being rewritten. Today we delve into the exciting and sometimes perplexing universe of cryptocurrency investing and trading strategies. In the modern age, cryptocurrencies have become a popular alternative to traditional forms of currency. They are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security, making them nearly impossible to counterfeit. This new form of currency has taken the world by storm, but with its volatility comes the need for effective trading strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie to the crypto world, understanding these strategies and how to manage risks is crucial. Cryptocurrency trading isn't just about making quick profits, it's about understanding the market, knowing when to hold and when to sell, and most importantly, it's about managing risks. So buckle up as we navigate these digital waters together. Before we dive into the strategies, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is digital or virtual currency. It utilizes cryptography for security, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they are not controlled by any central authority, like a bank or government. The technology that allows this decentralization is known as blockchain. Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions spread across a network of computers. This technology ensures the integrity and security of transactions, making them transparent and immutable. Among the thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, Bitcoin is the pioneer and most well-known. It was the first to use blockchain technology. Following Bitcoin, Ethereum emerged with its own unique features, including the ability to create smart contracts. Armed with this basic understanding, we can now explore the trading and investment strategies. Scene script: trading cryptocurrencies can be a roller coaster ride, but fear not, we have some strategies to help you navigate. First up, let's talk about day trading. This strategy involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single trading day. The aim is to profit from short-term price fluctuations. Think of it like this: you're a surfer, and each wave represents a price movement. You want to ride the wave up and get off before it crashes down. Next, we have swing trading. This strategy is for those who prefer a slower pace. Swing traders hold on to their cryptocurrencies for days or even weeks, with the aim to profit from price changes over this period. Imagine you're on a swing in a park. You want to push off at the lowest point and enjoy the ride to the top, then get off before the swing comes back down. Lastly, there's scalping. This is all about making frequent trades over very short periods, sometimes just minutes. The goal here is to profit from tiny price movements. Picture yourself as a chef. Each scallop you shuck is a small profit. You're not looking for the biggest scallop, but rather many small ones that add up over time. Each of these strategies requires a different level of commitment, risk tolerance, and understanding of the market. Day trading, for instance, requires constant attention and quick decision-making. Swing trading, on the other hand, requires patience and a good sense of market trends. Scalping, while seemingly simple, requires a high degree of precision and a good understanding of market microstructures. It's worth mentioning that no strategy guarantees success. The crypto market is unpredictable and influenced by many factors. What worked yesterday might not work today. It's important to stay informed, adapt, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, each strategy has its risks and rewards. Choose the one that suits your risk tolerance and investment goals. Investing in cryptocurrencies is more than just buying low and selling high. Let's explore some investment strategies. First up is dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money in a cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of the price. For instance, instead of investing a lump sum of $1,000 all at once, you might decide to invest $100 every month for 10 months. This approach allows you to spread out your investment over time, reducing the impact of short-term price volatility. Next, we have the buy and hold strategy, often dubbed as hodl in the crypto world. This is a long-term investment strategy where you buy a cryptocurrency and hold on to it for a significant period, regardless of market fluctuations. It's like planting a seed and waiting for it to grow into a tree. An example could be buying Bitcoin when it was just a few dollars and holding on to it even when its price skyrocketed to tens of thousands of dollars. Lastly, there's diversification. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. In the context of cryptocurrency investing, This means spreading your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies, rather than just focusing on one. For example, instead of investing all your money in Bitcoin, you could spread it across Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other potential cryptocurrencies. This strategy helps to balance out the risks and potential returns of your investment. But remember, these strategies are not foolproof. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and unpredictable. It's essential to do your research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Investing is a long game. Patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy are your best allies. In the world of cryptocurrencies, managing risks is as important as spotting opportunities. Let's talk about why risk management is a crucial part of your crypto trading and investing journey. Imagine entering a battlefield armed with a strategy, but without a shield. Trading or investing without risk management is just like that. You're exposed to potential threats that could wipe out your capital in the blink of an eye. One of the most effective strategies for managing risk in cryptocurrency trading is setting stop-loss orders. Just like a shield protects a warrior from unexpected attacks, a stop-loss order protects your investment from sudden market downturns. It's a predetermined point at which you're willing to accept a loss and sell your position, preventing further damage. However, remember that stop-loss orders are not a magic bullet. They are tools to manage risk, not to eliminate it completely. The volatility of the crypto market can sometimes surpass your stop-loss level, causing a bigger loss than anticipated. Therefore, it's essential to regularly review and adjust your stop-loss orders based on market conditions. Another vital aspect of risk management is only investing what you can afford to lose. The allure of quick, high returns can often push investors to pour in more money than they can comfortably part with. But investing in cryptocurrencies should not lead to sleepless nights or financial instability. Your investments should be a portion of your savings that you're willing to put at risk for potential returns. Lastly, keeping your emotions in check is crucial. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment, pushing you to make impulsive decisions that can lead to significant losses. Stick to your trading and investment plan and avoid making decisions based on market rumors or hype. Risk management is not about avoiding risks altogether. It's about understanding and controlling them so you can navigate the volatile sea of cryptocurrencies with confidence. Risk management can be the difference between success and failure in crypto trading and investing. So always equip yourself with a sturdy shield of risk management strategies before stepping onto the crypto battlefield. The world of cryptocurrencies is exciting, but it can also be a minefield for the unprepared. The key to navigating this landscape, as we have discovered, is knowledge. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We embarked on this journey by delving into the understanding of cryptocurrency, acknowledging its revolutionary role in our financial ecosystem. We explored the concept of digital currencies, blockchain technology, and how these innovations are reshaping our world. Just as the internet revolutionized communication, cryptocurrency is revolutionizing finance. Next, we navigated the terrain of cryptocurrency trading strategies. We discussed the importance of conducting thorough research before diving into trades, and explored strategies such as day trading, swing trading, and position trading. We emphasized the importance of staying informed about market trends and news, which can significantly impact the value of cryptocurrencies. Then we ventured into the realm of cryptocurrency investment strategies. We highlighted the significance of diversification, dollar cost averaging, and long-term holding. We underscored the idea that investing in cryptocurrencies isn't just about making a quick buck, but about believing in the technology and its potential to transform our future. Finally, we addressed the crucial topic of risk management in crypto trading and investing. We stressed the need for setting clear investment goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. We also explored the importance of having a well-thought-out exit strategy. In this thrilling world of cryptocurrencies, it's not just about the potential for monumental returns. It's also about participating in a technological revolution that's changing the world. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe, and happy trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. By subscribing, you're not just joining a channel, you're joining a community of enthusiasts, investors, and pioneers. Together we can navigate this exciting new frontier.